video of the car running. As you can see, it does have rally wheels on it. You will see pictures. I do have the original gold walls. I believe they are the original rims and hubcaps. I'm sure the tires were replaced at some point. I just don't like the way the car drives with them. Frankly, I don't like the way it looks with them. Interior, the carpet was replaced at some point. The seats are original, leather, factory leather, teak steering wheel. Seats are rough, but again, they are original. Soft top, this is the original soft top. I've only had it up one time since 2002. You can see it is dry rotted. Overall frame is actually in decent condition. See the frame. And putting it all the way up. Obviously, back window is completely dry rotted. As you can see. Inside, in the rear, carpet, all of that is actually good. Jack is there. And the, oh yeah, the original stickers are also there. On the rear, this is actually original cap. It does have the gold around it, which is definitely not anything you can get replaced. I was told that at some point someone had attached side pipes to the car that did not come with the car, so they took them back off. So it is back to its original condition. It was done way before me. Inside and get some undercarriage shots.
And Rocky Mount. Every woman wants a Bailey box under the tree. Howdy, listeners. Just wanted to take a moment and thank you for tuning in and say that if you like what you hear, please do business with the companies and organizations you hear advertising with us.
We got the radio playing, as you can hear. Gonna do the fan. You can't really hear it, but it is working. Temperature out makes it hot, temperature in. All right. Windshield wipers working. At a stoplight, we are driving. All gauges are working. The clock is working. Do have the hard top on, but you can hear that it runs good, power's good, brakes are good.